So right now I have people sitting in a boot camp. Some of them are going to make it, and I already know that. Last cohort we had 34 people apply, 4 scheduled an interview inside the window I gave them. 30 didn't, and that was before anybody had done any single amount of work. So people hear that and think I'm being unreasonable. I'm not. That's the whole business. Here's what I kept seeing before I started this. Companies buy HubSpot. It sits there, half configured, half trusted, nobody owning it. So they go get help, a contractor, an agency, somebody overseas. And it goes badly. Work comes back wrong. Somebody goes quiet for a week, and they end up checking everything themselves, which is what they were paying someone else to do. Then they stop hiring help. They just live with it broken. Maybe they think to themselves, it's good enough. The fix isn't complicated. It's one competent person who does the work every week without being managed. Finding that person over and over reliably, that's the part everyone fails at. I spent 22 years in the Army, and some of that time was as a drill sergeant. The job is one thing. You take people with no experience, and you turn them into somebody you trust when nobody's watching. You screen hard, you train to a standard, you verify it, you don't hope. I did that for about 2 decades before I ever thought about starting a company. So when I looked at this problem, everybody's got the same complaint about outsourced help. Nobody can solve it. I didn't think that's a hard problem. I thought that's the only problem I actually knew how to solve. That's why I started Trailblazer 6. It's not because I know HubSpot. There's plenty of people out there that know HubSpot. It's because I know how to build a team that you don't have to stand over. Someone washed out this month, another one accepted the job, and the other never showed up on day one. Neither of those is a failure. That's a system working. I'd rather lose somebody in a week than have a client lose them in month 3. I'm not trying to build a big company. I have no interest in that. I want a small one that's actually good, where the clients stop thinking about their HubSpot CRM because it's handled, where the standard doesn't slip as we add people, because the second it starts to slip, I built the exact thing I was trying to fix. That's it. That's the vision.